Welcome to Hambalung Studio, where every space tells a story and every detail has meaning. Today, we're stepping inside a world of rustic refinement, a place where time slows down and the warmth of a modern cottage wraps around you the moment you enter. This isn't just about decorating. It's about creating a home inside that feels lived in, loved, and deeply personal. Imagine the quiet charm of natural wood, soft textures, and thoughtfully chosen pieces coming together to form the ultimate modern cottage library and DIY nook. Rustic style meets modern comfort here, blending character with creativity. At Hambalung Studio, we believe decorating is more than visual beauty. It's about shaping spaces that inspire your everyday life and invite you to pause, reflect, and create. In this episode, we'll explore how rustic decorating transforms ordinary rooms into meaningful retreats, from cozy reading corners to hands-on creative spaces. Whether you're redesigning your home inside or simply dreaming of a calmer, more intentional lifestyle, this journey into rustic refinement is designed to spark ideas and awaken inspiration. Where rustic refinement begins. Step inside the living room, the heart of the home inside, where rustic refinement truly comes to life. This space sets the tone for the entire modern cottage story. Begin with natural textures, exposed wood beams, reclaimed timber shelves, and soft linen upholstery that instantly ground the room in warmth. The key to rustic decorating here is balance. Pair time-worn materials with clean, modern lines. Think a structured sofa softened by hand-woven throws, or a vintage coffee table styled with minimalist decor. To create the ultimate library feel, line one wall with open shelving made from raw wood, imperfect and beautiful. Fill it with books, plants, and personal objects that tell your story. This is where the space becomes lived in, not staged. Warm lighting is essential. Table lamps with fabric shades and soft LED accents bring a golden glow that invites you to slow down. This living room isn't just a place to sit. It's a place to breathe, read, create, and reconnect with the rustic charm of home inside. If you're loving this rustic decorating journey so far, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who dreams of a cozy modern cottage. Rustic function meets everyday beauty. The kitchen is where rustic decorating meets daily life. To achieve rustic refinement, start with a neutral palette, soft whites, warm creams, and muted earth tones. These colors allow natural materials to shine. Wooden countertops, open shelving, and shaker-style cabinets instantly ground the space in cottage charm. This is also where functionality matters most. Incorporate vintage-inspired hardware, farmhouse sinks, and subtle modern appliances that blend seamlessly into the design. The goal is to make the kitchen feel collected over time, not overly polished. A wooden island can double as a prep space and gathering spot, reinforcing the idea that this home inside is meant to be shared. Add character through small details, ceramic jars, hanging copper cookware, and fresh herbs by the window. These touches turn a simple kitchen into a soulful space that supports creativity, perfect for anyone who loves DIY projects and hands-on living. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new rustic decorating idea for your home inside. A space for stories and slow moments. The dining area is where stories unfold, meals stretch longer, and connections deepen. Begin with a solid wood dining table, preferably one with visible grain and imperfections that tell a story. This becomes the anchor of the space. Surround it with a mix of chairs or a bench to add a relaxed, lived-in feel. Lighting plays a major role here. A statement pendant light with a rustic finish, iron, wood, or aged brass, creates intimacy while keeping the design grounded. Layer the space with simple textiles like linen runners or neutral placemats to soften the look. This area should feel like an extension of the living room library and DIY nook, creative, warm, and inviting. It's not about perfection, it's about presence. Rustic decorating thrives when a space feels authentic and welcoming, making the dining area a natural gathering point within the home inside. If this space inspires you, show your support by liking this video and sharing it with fellow home decor lovers. Rustic calm and quiet luxury. The bathroom is often overlooked, but in a modern cottage home inside, it becomes a sanctuary. Start with natural materials, stone, wood, and soft matte finishes. A wooden vanity paired with a clean-lined sink strikes the perfect balance between rustic charm and modern simplicity. Use earthy tones and subtle textures to create a calming environment. Open shelving with neatly folded towels, glass jars, and greenery adds warmth without clutter. Lighting should be soft and flattering. Wall sconces or warm LEDs help transform everyday routines into moments of calm. Rustic decorating in the bathroom is about restraint. Let the materials speak, keep decor intentional, and allow the space to feel airy and grounded. This quiet refinement completes the story of a home designed for both creativity and comfort. Subscribe now if you love turning even the smallest spaces into beautiful rustic retreats. Extending rustic refinement outdoors. The garden is where the story of rustic refinement extends beyond the walls of the home inside. This outdoor space should feel like a natural continuation of the interior, organic, relaxed, and deeply connected to nature. Start with simple pathways made of stone or gravel, guiding the eye and slowing the pace. Incorporate wooden furniture, weathered planters, and climbing greenery to soften the structure of the space. A small reading corner or DIY bench echoes the library and creative nook indoors, reinforcing the lifestyle this home represents. This garden isn't about manicured perfection, it's about harmony. Let plants grow freely, mix textures, and create quiet corners where inspiration can bloom. Rustic decorating outdoors brings the entire modern cottage vision full circle. If this rustic journey feels like home to you, join our growing community, like, subscribe, and share this video to keep the inspiration alive. Rustic refinement is about balance, honoring natural materials, embracing thoughtful decorating, and shaping a home inside that truly reflects who you are. From the warmth of a modern cottage library to the creative freedom of a DIY nook, we've seen how rustic design can turn everyday spaces into places of comfort, creativity, and connection.